This is Tom from Ghost 802. I'm out on Memphremagog doing a little ice fishing today. I came out looking for perch. Wanted to get a bucket full of perch to bring home. I haven't caught many perch, but I've caught a pile of smallmouth bass, one after another today. I've never caught so many smallmouth bass ice fishing. I'm in a spot that I marked on my GPS now that I've caught so many, so I could use it in the summertime. And I'm probably up to 17, 18 bass now I've caught just in this one spot. Biggest about 3 pounds, and that last one was the smallest one I've caught, probably 1.5 pounds. Just using perch, fatheads, jigging them on a Haley jig. Wind's been cold. It's a pretty chilly day. The sun's shining, but it's about, with the wind, I'd say it's probably below zero with the wind chill. But it makes it fun still when you can catch bass like this one after another. I'm going to try hard. I know I said the last one was going to be the last one before I headed home, but I'd like to catch one more good sized one. We'll call that a day. I don't have any of my sponsor stuff on, but I'd like to thank Scentlock. We're catching smallmouth in about 18 to 20 feet of water. I got one on right now already. Here we go. There's another one. Catching smallmouth one right after another in the spot. This doesn't feel like too big a one. Of course, sometimes they fool you when they get right to the hole, they take off. But yep, that's exactly what he's doing.
The stock market at all-time highs. Cash in your profits now and invest in an asset that can potentially pay for up to 20
He's decided when he got to the hole that he didn't want to come out and visit.
The sound of a smart investment.
This might be a good one.
To find a credited investor, you can take advantage of Encore Energy's projects. Call now to learn how you can potentially achieve 20 or more years of income and deduct 100% of every dollar invested against all forms of income. Call 1-800-803-8511. Invest in your future and buy oil. Encore is drilling in an area that is potentially one of the most prolific.
There's a decent one.
In the entire country.
That's about a 3-pounder.
So you need to own a piece of an oil field. Encore Energy is the most active.
Wow, and I just got him out of the hole and he broke my hook off. That was some lucky right there. Nice black lip on him. Nice smallmouth. Lake Memphremagog, Vermont. Now I gotta fix my hook. Try to fix my hook. This came undone. Waiting for one more good smallmouth bite here. We'll see if it's going to happen or not. I'm not going to stand out in this wind too much longer. I don't have a good way to set my phone up to sit in the truck like I've been sitting most of the day to catch these fish. And I wanted to get a couple of videos, so I'm standing outside my truck now, and the wind is brutal.
It comes from Scotland, and it's gross. So basically, obviously, there was no sanitation back in the good old days. So if you needed, when you were doing,
here we go. We got one biting right now, so can't get one more.
So all the hay and all the number twos would go into that.
There it is.
Hooked up. There was a time of the night where they just agreed to throw out the window. It was about 7 p.m.
This will be the last fish of the day, folks. Hopefully, we can get him landed.
But some people
it feels like he's got a little bit of weight to him.
After they finish work, and they'd walk outside and they'd forget what time it was.
They do it every time. As soon as they get to the hole, they decide they want to run with it. There's another 2-pounder. A lot of fun. I've never caught as many bass ice fishing in one day. Actually, I probably have caught most of these bass since noontime, and it's about 3:30 now, so about 3.5 hours I'm pushing a 20 mark on bass. A lot of fun. Alright, folks, this is Tom checking out for Ghost 802. Hope you guys have a good day.